Guys, welcome to J Fashion Academy. Another week. So here I'll be showing you how to put your lining in your straight skirt. Your lining in your straight skirt. So this is your skirt that we cut the other time, and this one is your lining. This is your skirt. This is your lining. So the first step you are going to do is make sure the skirt you are turning the inside is facing the lining, and the outside like this. This is the outside and this is the inside. This is your lining. So first you are going to pick the edges of the skirt onto the skirt like this. Then you are going to sew from here to here. Are you getting me? From here to here. Let me sew it so that you understand. Before every of your sewing, you have to double stitch at the beginning of the sewing. And also at the end, you also double stitch. After you sew it like this, you're going to cut the excess thread. Then you're going to flip it like this. Here is going to turn inside. You're going to flip it like this. Then you are going to sew at the lining side, not at the material, the lining side. Close to the edges, close to the ends, like close to the joining of the lining and the material. See? So you are going to sew it all through. The same method you are going to apply it at the back piece. The same method you are going to apply it at the back piece. You see? So then this place that we've notched, same thing here, you're going to take it like this. See? You take it like this. So this is the inside. Here is the inside. So you are going to arrange it like this. Then you are going to sew the upper part. You can start sewing from here. When you sew here like this, you reach here, turn here, you sew here, and also the same thing here. You're going to sew here for the front piece. That's for the front piece.